Illinois Mutual is actually one of the oldest disability insurance companies in the entire country. Their history goes back about 101 years to be exact. Now this company is based out of Peoria, Illinois, and they have a headquarters where they have about 200 employees. They do sell their disability insurance policies all throughout the country, and they have agents nationwide that sell their products. Now we've represented numerous clients that have Illinois Mutual disability policies. And the first thing that everyone always asks us when they call us about an Illinois Mutual policy is, what's this company like? And I don't say this about a lot of companies, but Illinois Mutual is actually one of the better companies if you're going to have a disability insurance policy. And I think what I mean by better is that they seem to evaluate their claims reasonable most of the time, and they usually make the correct claim decision. Now, one of the things about Illinois Mutual that may allow them to make the right decision in most cases is the fact that they're a smaller company. When you compare Illinois Mutual to some of these bigger companies like a Unum or like a Prudential or a MetLife or a Northwestern Mutual, those are multi-billion-dollar companies that have tons and tons of claims and just don't take the proper amount of time in most cases to review a claim. From our experience, when we represent claimants with Illinois Mutual claims, we find that for the most part, they do take the time to review a policy, to understand a person's occupation, and to look at their medical. It doesn't mean that they're still right on every single claim if they were to make a denial, but from our experience, the claimants that have come to us, we've had a very high approval rate for Illinois Mutual claimants. Now, even though Illinois Mutual may be a company that's trying to do the right thing on a disability claim, you can still find that there's a fair amount of disability claim denials because the claims person from Illinois Mutual who makes the decision to either approve or deny the claim is really not the one who's determining the restrictions and limitations of the claimant. Whoever Illinois Mutual chooses or whatever third-party company they use to hire in order to determine what your restrictions and limitations are, you're going to get stuck with the decision of that doctor or that medical consultant or that nurse that they hire to determine whether or not you are unable to perform the duties of your occupation or any occupation if that's your definition. So if you have a claim with Illinois Mutual, you're considering filing a claim or your claim's been denied, give us a call to discuss your claim. Send us a copy of your policy. Send us a copy of any communication you have from Illinois Mutual if you've already engaged in the process of applying for benefits with them, and we'll be happy to discuss your claim and let you know if there's a way that we could assist you.